Welcome to Bravura. I'd like to tell you a little bit about the beginner's course for cosmetic practice. So this is the course that you're looking for if you're new to the industry or you've just started somewhere new. This is the one that will enable you to get up and going really quickly and learn all the fundamentals that you need to be a safe and effective practitioner. So if you're moving into the cosmetic industry, you're a doctor or a nurse, or you're a beauty therapist wanting to expand their menu of service, or perhaps you're somebody that's never done laser or IPL at all, this is the course for you. The module on light science covers off all of the technical aspects that you need to know about laser and IPL. What this module will help you understand is different wavelengths, what those wavelengths are used for, so you can understand why it is that you're using your particular laser for your particular condition. It will enable you to understand how light works, how light converts to heat, and why we use specific lasers for doing specific things. Stay calm, it's not as complex as Year 10 physics, but what it's going to enable you to do is to be able to look at any laser that you come across, any IPL that you come across, and be able to understand exactly what's going on. One of the modules in this course is about cosmetic medicine systems, so about laser and IPL. What it will help you do is understand all of the technical concepts around light and how lasers work. So it covers chromophores, it covers wavelengths, it covers the difference between laser and IPL, so that no matter what technology you're using, you're going to absolutely understand the fundamentals of it and understand what it is that makes it tick. Another one of the units is about regulation, and we know with regulation and standards there's multiple levels. So we'll describe to you what the Australian and New Zealand standards expect of you, but we'll also enable you to put in place some very specific policies, procedures and guidelines so that you're absolutely across your responsibilities when it comes to your administration of your laser and your IPL. Australia and New Zealand have extremely high standards when it comes to laser. In fact, as I speak, we've got the most current set of standards in the world. They were fresh off the press in 2018. So what I'd like to share with you is the fact that Bravura education is on the cutting edge worldwide. So no matter where you're working, we've got you covered. The most important module that we cover, of course, is safety. We don't ever want anything to go wrong when we're using lasers, because when it goes wrong, it's catastrophic. So what we want you to be able to do is be very safe and prevent things from going wrong rather than having to deal with them when they do. So when it comes to safety, we're going to drill right down into laser safety glasses, how to set up a room, how to organise your space, what you need to do with regard to your education and training for your staff. We will drill into everything that you need to meet the standards to be able to be a safe and effective practitioner, but also to have a safe workplace. It's all about risk management. We want to prevent it before it ever happens, and we're going to help you do that. Our final unit is specifically about lasers in cosmetic medicine. Bravura Education's course is the only one that we know of that enables that movement from doing some laser safety and then moves very smoothly into doing our advanced course and learning the nuts and bolts of practice. So the last module in our laser safety certificate for cosmetic practice is about all the common things that you would see in cosmetic practice. So it sets you up to take that next step and to understand what you will be actually doing with your laser safety certificate.